Do dodge wheel spacers weaken the handling on a Challenger? Many people want to know if installing dodge wheel spacers will negatively impact the Challenger's incredible handling and ride quality. The good news is that installing properly fitted, the high-quality dodge wheel spacers on your Challenger will improve the handling, ride comfort, or performance. That's why Dodge Challenger wheel spacers don't cause issues. As long as the wheel spacers match your Dodge bolt pattern and the hub bolt, it will position the wheels precisely where they need to be without disrupting alignment. Reputable wheel spacers manufacturers pay close attention to these specifications. Improperly installed spacers can throw off your wheel balance, leading to vibration in the steering wheel and chassis. Half-century quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers can maintain properly balanced. Installed half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will be safer. Generally, half-century Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with a half-century in the center that fits perfectly on the wheel hub assembly and wheels. This way, the wheels are centered by the hub connection, and the lug nut can hold it first against the mounting pin. These Dodge Challenger wheel spacers allow the wheel to support the weight better and fill the gap for a tight fit, providing a minimum chance of wheel vibration. BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacer have a multi-stage half-century design. This design allows the spacer to be more fit on the wheel hub assembly and wheels, thereby reducing high-speed vehicle vibration. Compared with common, the multi-stage half-century design of BONOSS makes the installation more fitting and safer. And the BONOSS Dodge Challenger wheel spacers can also be adapted with different data, providing the owners with more choice. Besides, the BONOSS Sport air-cooling Dodge Challenger wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation hoods to make brake cooling better, distribute in better shape. These hoods allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer where it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that are distributed on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving safety. Overall, high-quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers properly installed have little effect on ride quality for most daily drivers. As always, quality Dodge Challenger wheel spacers will enhance ride quality.